Welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today I have for you a fun fall pumpkin DIY. It's really easy to make. If you enjoy this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this tutorial, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. I picked up this pumpkin grapevine wreath for $12.99, but I went when it was 40% off, so make sure you check. Hobby Lobby runs fall decor 40% off pretty often, so there's the barcode if you want to screenshot it. And I also picked up all of these fall florals 40% off in the fall decor section at Hobby Lobby. This bow tutorial will be linked in the description box for you. I did the bow a week or so ago. So you're going to take your floral picks from Hobby Lobby or wherever you would like, and you're going to cut them into shorter pieces first. We're going to make a floral swag, so you're going to place one piece or berry pick on the left, one berry pick on the right, overlapping the stems. Take another berry pick, place it on the left, take another one, place it on the right, overlapping the stems. Next, I'm going to I don't know what these are called, but I think they're so fun and pretty. So one on the left, one on the right. Now to the petite sunflowers, one on the left, one on the right, overlapping the stems. Keep it held tight in the center, and you're also going to need a zip tie. And I didn't have another one to go on the right side, but it's okay because the first bundle was a little small, but what I place on the left, I usually try to place on the right. Now I'm putting this pick on the left, and then the last one on the right. And now I'm going to take a zip tie and zip tie my little swag together. Wasn't that simple? And just wait when I fluff it how pretty it looks. Make sure you get your zip tie nice and tight, then cut off the extra piece of the zip tie that sticks out. Now it's time to fluff and shape your floral swag, and I just fluffed mine a little bit. When you're choosing your flowers, remember you want to choose different textures, sizes, and shapes. And I didn't want to choose any big flowers because I really wanted the pumpkin to stand out, the actual pumpkin wreath to stand out, and my flowers to just kind of accent it and make it fun. And of course the bow's going in the middle. Now I'm going to take my bow, I'm going to take those wires that are on it, wrap it around the swag, go to the back, give the wires a couple twists. And this is just 20 gauge floral wire. So I'm twisting the wires. Now I'm going to take my swag now, go to the top of my pumpkin wreath, and right there where it intersects right below the stem, I'm going to wire my swag on. So I'm just placing one wire on the top and one on the bottom, and then I'm going to flip it over, twist those wires, cut them off short, and fold them down. And then I'll come back and fluff and shape my bow again and make sure everything looks like I want it to. This swag would also be gorgeous on a wreath or to use above a picture or a mirror, so there's lots of ways to use floral swags. This is such an easy way to turn something basic into something that looks like you spent a lot of money on, all by adding a bow and some floral picks, and it's so simple to do. People will think that you had special training, but you'll just have to tell them you watch Keeping It Simple Crafts. Don't forget, I am doing a giveaway this month. It is August 2023, so I'm doing a giveaway this month, and I'm giving away a $50 Hobby Lobby gift card on my YouTube channel. So if you'd like to enter my giveaway, I'll link that tutorial for you so you can check out the details in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this wreath. If you like it, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this tutorial, and if you share it, let me know because that's an extra entry into my giveaway. Thanks guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a beautiful day.